Here's how to convert Webflow to WordPress. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss on any important steps. First, open your Chrome browser. To convert Webflow to WordPress, you'll need to install the Udesly extension in Chrome. To do that, search for Udesly. You'll see many results, but you must click on udesly.com, which is typically the first link. The next window will appear and you can scroll down to review Udesly's terms and policies, and after reading it, scroll back up and click on Discover App. A new window will open, scroll down and you'll see an option for a Chrome extension. Click on the Install Now, and after a moment, a new page will open where you can scroll down and read some important instructions about Udesly. Make sure to read all of them. Following this, click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear and you'll then need to click the Add extension. After a short time, you'll see that Udesly template configuration has been added to your Chrome browser. You can verify the Udesly extension from this option, though it won't be active yet until you use your Webflow Designer dashboard. And now open your Webflow dashboard, and it will appear as usual. Click on the extension button, and you'll see that your Udesly extension is enabled. You can also pin it to your upper bar for easy access. Next, simply click on the Udesly extension. A pop-up will open, looking like this. You'll see 4 options: Webflow to Shopify, Webflow to WordPress, Webflow to Jamstack, and Webflow to Ghost. Since we want to convert Webflow to WordPress, you must click on that option. And if you wish to convert to another platform, you can choose it here. After selecting it, you'll see a confirmation that it's done, and the page will automatically refresh in 3 seconds. After a short while, a zip file will begin downloading to your computer. And this is how you can convert your Webflow to WordPress.